Welcome to Babi's Kitchen. It's a cold, frigid day outside, so we all figured to wear jumpsuits.
Jumpsuit?
Oh, sorry.
Sweatsuit.
Sweatsuits. We're gonna be making cake for Mommy because her birthday is almost up.
So we better get started, right?
Restart. Okay.
Cracking eggs was their favorite activity. They both just loved it.
We're going to be beating the egg whites with the KitchenAid. We are going to add some pink Himalayan salt. We're going to add cactus gold honey powder, slowly but surely. We're going to preheat the oven for 350 for 1 hour. We're going to be putting all of this into one bigger bowl. We're just going to pour this into here. So after we do that, now we're going to put this, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, teaspoons of gold cactus honey powder. So we're going to add olive oil to keep it fresh longer, orange juice for the moisture, and some Pellegrino to fluff it up a little bit. So as you're noticing, Lay's cleaning up in the back, because that makes it much easier to work with. A little bit of Pellegrino. Pour it slowly. It's so good. We have 8 spoons of walnuts here. So now we're just going to do 8 spoons of flour. Let's see, there's 16.
Do it like
Okay, I'm sorry, Miss Specific. After this, I'm just gonna kind of like sprinkle it like that.
and give me the small one. And we're gonna make this miniature cake.
Give it a little bit more now. No, it's fine. No, it's fine. Yes, no.
Now we're gonna get it baked.
And then meanwhile, me and Cameron, we're just gonna clean up all of our mess. Hi, Papa. Oh my God, there's like metal on the side.
Okay,
That's
so
weird.
it
Bobby, look,
sounded
there's
okay.
metal on the side. Can I take mine out, Bobby?
Wait.
It's really good. You don't want it to pop like mine. Okay.
Oh.
It's breaking, Bobby.
That's it.
Okay.
Okay, so now we can take it out.
No. Whatever you want to do. Like.
Considering that this is basically gluten-free, it came out really good. Let's go and prepare light cream.
We're going to experiment with the filling to make it light and healthy. We're going to make homemade cashew and almond. Do not forget the top, else you'll be cleaning up a big mess later. We're going to add 2 packets of unflavored gelatin. Yes.
And this is Luchko's cabbage, what I made for lunch, and Leia just loved it.
We're gonna mix this a little bit. I'm gonna add the gold cactus honey powder. So now we're just gonna put the strawberries in. We're gonna add strawberry jelly crystals to gelatinize it. To gelatinize our almond cashew milk. Just gonna sprinkle it like that. I get really scared. Okay. Pour that. So now I'm just gonna put it in the fridge.
I need to cut it one layer.
Okay, so now we have to put the jam. So I'm just going to use a spoon to put it on. So just spread it all around. You don't want to miss any spots. Spread it as nice and evenly as you can. I'm going to be taking this layer. Cameron, you broke it. Very delicate. Just to spread it around. Just gonna take some more jelly. Put it over here.
So everybody cut their own cake. I'm gonna cut my cake.
I don't wanna
My
cut my
little
cake.
cute
You cut the
cake.
toy without me.
What? What does that mean?
Papa said you cut the turkey without me. Like that. And then we can do, it has a nice shape.
So we're going to use this as technically frosting. So we're going to put it all over the cake.
What I like about it, there is no butter in this frosting.
Ready, set, go. Ah! Yes! It's hard. It's hard. Now we're going to decorate it with whipped cream and strawberries.
I know it's gonna taste good, but it has to look good as well. All of it.
That was 1 cup of heavy whipped cream. Whoa.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're going to put a cup and a half of heavy whipped cream into the bowl. Second layer of frosting. And I'm just going to be the person who just like smoothens it out. So we're just going to be decorating one more strawberry, and the bottom of the layer is done. Now we're going to start really decorating it. So I'm just going to put one dot here and one here, and Leia's going to do the other side. Good. Okay. EVA out of strawberries. So as you see, Bobby already did the E. So we're just gonna have to do the V and the A.
I'm just testing to see if I did this right.